Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check browser version on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Firefox browser, as it does not come with the Windows system. Now when you do that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything of course that you want. We have it also in the top side of the screen. Here in the top right corner, we have the three dots where you have the, of course, settings and all of those information. And here you can go and put in some new tabs. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check browser version on Firefox. So on Windows and Mac OS, first of all, click on the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. And then go and click on the Help button. It is down here. And go and click on About Firefox. It is the last thing, as you can see. Then a window will appear showing the version number of Firefox you're currently using, and it will also check for updates automatically. So that's how you can do it here. But if you have a Linux, click on the three menu lines in the top right corner and use the application menu if available. Again, help and click About Firefox, and the version information will be displayed in a similar way as Windows and Mac OS. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.